When you need a new roof, you need a roofer capable of getting the job done right. A roofer who is experienced, cares about their craft, and is fair to you. I'm Pat Jewell, owner of Capital Improvements. For over 30 years, I've worked hard to build a team, a family team that never stops training, whose commitment to our craft and care for our clients has earned us GAF Master Elite status. It's a certification held by only 2% of roofers in the nation. We work hard because we know underneath every roof we install lives a family. With us, you receive a leak-proof roof installed by expert technicians, the highest quality products from GAF, and a lifetime warranty, all at a fair price. Thousands of clients have trusted us with their homes. We welcome you to join them and allow us to serve your family by building you a roof that lasts a lifetime.